Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In last video, we had a discussion about, in last video, we had a discussion about tuple, okay? We discussed some tuple rules, okay? Yes, if I take t equals to within parenthesis, I will take, 10. Yes, now what is the type of this example? Yes, friends, what is the type of this example? It will int type. Okay, this one will treat as a int type. But if I want to represent the same example in tuple, okay, in tuple, then what we have to do? Yes, all of you know what we have to do. Yes, we need to take this comma separator. Then Python will consider this one as a yes tuple. Okay, this one, then it will treat as a tuple. And also we know how to represent tuple. Yes, within parentheses. We know already this. In last video, I have given another example, that is t equals to 10 comma, okay, 20 comma 30. Like this also, we can represent tuple. So Python will treat this one as also tuple only. And here also, if you want to use single value, okay, single value, yes, is this enough? No, no. Python virtual machine, still it will consider in into only. Then what we have to say to Python? Yes, then we have to give this comma separator. Then Python will treat this one as a tuple type. Okay. I hope all of you clear in these rules. Okay. And also we have started the discussion about set type. Okay. What are the rules? Yes, all these are the properties. Okay. All these are properties of set. Okay. Duplicates, okay, duplicates are allowed. And insertion order is yes preserved or not preserved in set. Okay, insertion order is not at all preserved in set. We have seen so many examples in last video. And different type of objects, okay, heterogeneous objects are we can use in set. Okay, it is not a problem. And this is how we can represent a set, and set is a mutable. Okay, all these examples we have seen in last video. While accessing the elements, while accessing the elements of the set, this index and slicing, all this nonsense is not applicable to set. Okay, then how to access these elements? Yes, we seen in last video. Okay, and also yes, here one important point. If I want to represent empty set, okay, if I want to represent a empty set, if I give like this, is this Python mission will consider this one as empty set? No, because yes, no, because we already know by this example I explained why it will not considered as a set type, and it will treat as a dict type. Okay, when you use okay just a parenthesis, okay, curly braces open and close, then Python will treat this one as a empty dictionary, not set, because we use this example to clear that doubt. Now here, one of our friend asked me one another doubt. Okay, that is, he want to represent a empty set. Okay, he want to represent empty set only, not empty dictionary. Is there any ways? Yes, friends, please think. Is there any ways? Yes, there is a way to represent empty set. Yes, what is the way means? S equals to, okay, S equals to set, okay, set of, yes, parenthesis open and close. If you consider like this, then Python will treat, okay, Python will treat this one as a empty, okay, empty set. Okay, if you want proof, let me execute this one in Python shell. Okay, Python shell. Here I will take that example. S equals to okay set of, okay, set of parenthesis open and close. Yes. Now let me check the type. Okay, typ of yes. Yes. Have you observed? It is showing set. Okay. So like this, we can show the empty set. Now, if you want a proof, still proof, let me check the length, okay? Length of yes, okay? Length of yes. If you observe here, we are getting 0, means no elements in this set. So it is a empty set, okay? Like this, we can represent a empty set. But if you take just curly braces open and close. Then if I take type, okay, type of D, have you observed we are getting dict type? Okay, it is a empty dictionary, and this is how we can represent empty set. Okay, now up to now it is fine. Okay, not a problem. After that, we had a discussion about frozen set. Okay, how to represent frozen set and what is the difference between frozen set and set. Okay, this is the only difference between set and frozen set. It is a immutable version. Okay, it is a immutable version of a set. Like a list having tuple, set is having frozen set. Okay, I explained examples also for this frozen set. If you people coming directly to this video, better to watch our previous videos, then you will get better idea. So after completing set, okay, after completing set, we want to discuss, okay, we want to discuss about dict data type. Please make sure this is the one of the most important data type. Okay, because we are going to use this one as a so many times, so please take care of these things. What is okay, what is dictionary? Yes, what is dictionary? Not in programming, in general language. Have you ever heard about Oxford Dictionary? Yes, Oxford Dictionary. In that dictionary, if you observe, how will be the content? Yes, word, okay, word and meaning, okay, word and respective meaning. Like this, okay, like this. In our Python program also, we need to, okay, we need to define dictionary like key, okay, key and value, okay, key and value. This is how we want to define dictionary in Python. Okay, now what are the properties? Okay, what are the properties of a dictionary? First one, okay, first one is curly braces open and curly braces close. This is how we can define a dictionary. Now how to build, okay, how to build a dictionary? Yes, how to build a dictionary? Okay, there are two ways, okay, there are two ways to build dictionary. First one is, if you know already keys and values, okay, if you know already keys and values, what this key and value means. For example, okay, here we have name of the student, okay, name of the student and respective roll number, okay, respective roll number, and also name of the student, okay, name of the student and respective mail id, okay, respective mail id. If you want to represent this type of elements, okay, if you want to represent this type of elements, then we want to go for dictionary. Before that, okay, before that, up to now we covered what we covered: list, tuple, all these things, okay, list, tuple, set, frozen set, okay, all these things. Okay, which type of values we can store? Yes friends, which type of values we can store means, here take a look, okay, here in list, okay, in list, if you want to store elements, yes, how we can store? Within square brackets want to store elements, okay, 10 comma 20 comma, yes, 20 comma 30. And if you want to represent tuple, yes, we know within this, okay, we want to represent 10 comma 20 comma, yes, 20 comma 30. And set, how to represent set? Yes friends, how to represent set? We know within curly braces, okay, within curly braces, 10 comma 20 comma 30. And frozen set also we have seen. Frozen, okay, frozen set, okay, frozen set of yes, frozen set of 10 comma 20 comma 30. Like this we can represent. So if you observe all this example, we can store individual elements, okay, we can store just individual elements. This 30 and this 10 are not dependent, they are individual values. And in this all examples also, all are individual values. But when you want to represent, okay, like I said, key, okay, key value, like these examples: name, roll number, and name, email id, and respect to all these examples, then we have to go for, yes, then we have to go for dict data type. Okay, so this is the one of the most used, okay, most commonly used data type. And here I said there are two ways. First thing is, if you know already key value pairs. Okay, if you know already key value pairs, then directly you can build like this. Okay, key 1, okay, and key 1 respective value, okay, respective value 1, and key 2, okay, key 2 and respective value 2. Okay, like this you can represent a dict. Here curly brace open and close. This is how you can build if you know key and values already. And if you don't know, okay, if you don't know key values, okay, let me directly take these examples in this file. If you don't know key value pairs at the starting, okay, later I will add. So at that moment what we have to do, just okay, just curly brace open and close. Okay, that's it. Now after some time I came to know I want to add these elements, okay, these key and values. Then what we have to do is d of, okay, d of, here you want to give key, okay, key value, like 100 is a roll number of the student, and his name is, okay, within single quote I will take, with name is Venki, okay, Venki. And after that I want to add another student, okay, like with roll number 101, okay, 101, and his name is, okay, his name is Ganesh, okay, Ganesh I will take. Okay, like this you can add a n number of, okay, n number of elements, not a problem. Now if you want to check whether the elements are added or not, let me print, okay, let me print the d, okay, let me print the d, and let me save and execute here. Let me exit from this Python shell. Okay, yes, now let me if you observed here 100 with roll number Venki and with roll number 101 Ganesh, okay, added. This is the second type of how we can build, yes, how we can build dictionary. And the first method is okay, first method we know what is the example we took, yes, like this. If you know key and values before, okay, at starting, then directly you can take like this. For example, here I will take, here just wait, I will remove these two lines, and what I will take here is I know already key values, okay, for example 100, okay, 100 respective name, that is for example Sunny, okay, Sunny I am taking. And another key value, okay, 200 Chinny, okay, Chinny I will take. Let me check, okay, let me check, is this a dictionary or not? Yes, for that we have type, okay, type of type of d I will take. Okay, here I will execute this file. Yes, have you observed? We are getting, yes, with the 200 key Chinny and with 100 key we are getting Sunny. And this is a dict type, no doubt at all. This is how, these are the two methods, okay, these are the two methods present how to build a dictionary. Now our dictionary is, we builded, okay, our dictionary is ready. Now let me take some fresh example. I will remove this. Here I will take d equals to, okay, d equals to 100, okay, 100 colon Venki, okay, Venki. And another example 200, okay, 200 equals to, within single quote I will take Appi, okay, Appi. And another example 300 equals to, yes, within single quote I will take a Puppy, okay, Puppy I am taking. Okay, now if I want, okay, if I want to access the, okay, if I want to access the elements, then what we have to do? Yes, print, okay, print of which element you want to access. Yes, which element. For example, I want to access this Venki, okay, this Venki I want to access. Then what we have to take is d, okay, d of, okay, square brackets, d of key value, okay, 100. And let me take another example, okay, print of let me access this element also. So here I will take d of okay, d of 300, okay, this is the key value. So let me save and execute here. Yes, have you observed Venki and Puppy? Okay, this is how we can access the elements from dictionary. Now, after some time, okay, let us assume these are the student names. Okay, all these are student names and these are roll numbers. Okay, assume like that. And after some time, this student, okay, this student came to me and she said, my name is not Appi. Okay, my name is not Appi. My name is Appu. What she said means, my name is Appu. Please change my name. Here, how we can change that means d of, okay, d of, what is the key value? Yes, what is the key value? 200. Yes, 200. So d of 200 equals to, yes, within single quote, I want to take up, okay. Yes, let me comment these lines, okay. Don't think what is comment. We will discuss in detail in later videos. Just now, let me save and execute this file. If we observe, we are not getting anything. Yes, what we have done, just we declared here, but we didn't print anything. Okay, let me print a D. Okay, let me print this dictionary and let me execute here. Yes, have you observed the Appi? Okay, Appi is replaced with Appo. Okay, now her requirement got solved. Okay, fine. Okay, this is how we can access and also we can assign or we can change the elements of the dictionary. Now, by seeing all these examples, some of our friends, okay, some of our friends may get some doubts. That is, if you look our example, I took a key value as 100, 200, okay, 100, 200, 300, all these are int values, and I took all values as a str, okay, in string data type only. So what they will think, only int type we can take here, or only string type we can take here. No such type of terminology. Whatever, okay, which data type you want to take, whether in key place or value place, which data type you want to take, you can easily take, not a problem, no restrictions. Yes, so the second point is for key, okay, for key and value, okay, for key and value we can take, okay, we can take any type, okay, any type of, yes, any type of data, okay. From this second point we can make another point, that is key, okay, key and value, okay, key and value can be, okay, can be hetero, yes, heterogeneous, not a problem. So here what I will take means, yes, here I will take a d equals to, okay, d equals to 100, okay, 100, or I will take a, within single quote I will take a Raju, okay, Raju, Ravi, okay, Raju, Ravi, and I will take another example as a, within single quote I will take okay, Venki, okay, Venki, and one int value, okay, 100. Let me print, okay, let me print d. Yes, let me save and execute the file here. Yes, have you observed? The people who are having the doubt, okay, we can take any type as a key or value, not a problem. So the next point, okay, the next point is, for that let me take d equals to, okay, d equals to 100, okay, d equals to 100, and within single quote I will take Winky, okay, Winky I will take, and another example 100 only, okay, 100 Sunny, okay, Sunny, and again, okay, 100, 100 only, okay, 100 colon Ganesh, okay, Ganesh. Now, if I print the D, yes, what will be the output? We are going to get any error or it is okay? Yes, please think. So let me save and I will execute this here. Yes, have you observed? We are getting only last element. Okay, the both elements before this one are, okay, Venki and Sunny are removed. Yes, what will be the reason? Yes, friends, what will be the reason? So our next point is, yes, our next point is a fourth point. If we are, okay, if we are using, okay, if we are using duplicate, okay, duplicate keys, okay, duplicate keys, then, okay, then old value, okay, old value referring to that key will replace, okay, replaced, yes, replaced by new value, okay, new value. Please make sure this point. Yes, have you observed? In our example also, we got this Ganesh, the both elements, okay? The both elements got removed. Now the persons immediately think, what if values are duplicated? Yes, here I will take a Venki, okay? And here I will take a same, yes, same Venki, okay? Let me change the values of keys, okay? 200, yes, here I will take a 50, okay? Let me save and I will execute here, okay? If you observe, no problem at all, okay? It is perfectly valid. So what we can conclude here is, with this pointer here, the fifth point is, okay, the fifth point is duplicate, okay? Duplicate, yes, duplicate values are allowed, okay? Not a problem, okay? Not a problem. Yes, all these are the, yes, all these are the conclusions. But before, another one conclusion, that is sixth point is dict, okay? Dict is a mutable or immutable. Yes, mutable or immutable. Yes, it is mutable only, okay? Yes, we have seen so many examples. That is, we added and we changed the content of the dictionary, not a problem. So, dictionary is a mutable. Okay, all these are the conclusions. Okay, all these are the properties of a dict data type. And this is all about dictionary. And I don't think dictionary data type concept is completed. No, we are going to spend minimum 5 videos on dict type as a separate topic. But my intention is just to give some basic idea about dict only. All these are just basic idea. There we are going to discuss still so many more points. Okay, now have just some basic idea. Okay, this is all about dict. And after dict, what we want to discuss, the next topic is bytes. Okay, bytes data type. I'm going to discuss some points. Okay, some points about bytes data type. Now, when we want to go for bytes data type, to represent, okay, to represent a group, okay, to represent a group of values, okay, to represent a group of values in the, okay, in the range, okay, in the range of 0 to, yes, 0 to 250, yes, 255 or 6. 255 or 6, yes, it is 255. Okay, if you want to represent a group of values in between this range, okay, in this range 0 to 255, then we can go for bytes type. Now how to represent this one? Yes, how to represent or how to create means, we can't create directly. For that, let me take a group of values, okay, group of values. Let's take a list, okay, 10 comma 20 comma 30, okay. And if you want to represent this group of values in bytes, okay, then b equals to, let me take b equals to bytes, okay, bytes of, yes, bytes of L, okay. This is how we can represent the bytes, okay. I will paste here, and here let me print, okay, let me print the type, okay, type of, yes, type of B. Let me save and execute the file here. Yes, have you observed which type it is? Bytes, okay, it is a bytes data type. So this is how we can represent byte. Now I want to access the elements. Okay, I want to access the elements. How we can access? Yes, print. Okay, print of, okay, b. Okay, b of which element we want? For example, we want the first element. Okay, first element. Then we have to take 0th index. Now let me execute here. Yes, have you observed? We are getting 10. Okay, it is a first element. Okay, by index also we can access the bytes values. Now here I will take a 256. Okay, 256. Now let me execute this file. If you observe, it is saying that bytes must be in range. Okay, bytes must be in range 0 to 256 only. Means 256 means 255 means 256 minus 1 means 255. So up to 0 to 255 only in bytes it is allowed. By mistake, if you use greater than 255, then it is saying how beautiful it is saying bytes must be in range of 0 to 256 only. Bytes is a big topic. Okay, bytes is a big topic. I'm not going to cover all points in bytes and bytes array because these are not important. Okay, these are not that much important in our Python program. When these are important means when a file with when a file with images, when a file with images or video files, audio files, then this bytes and bytes array are going to be helpful. But we are going to use very rare cases. Okay, except here I think we won't discuss these things at anywhere. So I'm not giving much importance to this bytes and bytes array. So the next topic is byte array. Okay, just a 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute of time. Okay, I won't take much time for this. What is byte array means? So what is the difference? Okay, what is the difference between bytes and byte array means? It is a it is a immutable. Okay, it is a immutable. So and a byte array will be byte array will be mutable. Okay, this is the only difference between bytes and byte array. This bytes and byte array concept is a big concept because there are so many conditions for this. Those things I'm not at all considering because we are not going to use these things in Python. Okay, so I'm neglecting this part. And this is about bytes and bytes array. Now here a small activity for you. Okay, a small activity, that is, let me give some examples. Okay, have you observed? Is these two examples, is these two examples valid or invalid? Okay, if they are valid, then what will be the output? And if they are invalid, what is the reason that they are invalid? Okay, these two you need to give in comment box, or you can give me in Instagram also. Okay, this is about this video. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me in comment box, or you can ask me in Instagram. Then I can clear your all doubts. Okay, this is all for this video. We will meet in next video. Thank you.